As see students, here in exercise 2, the first question is measure the following line segments. Here line segment lengths we have to measure. In your textbook it is given that A XY line segment, and in B question AB line segment is given and C PQ line segment is given. So, these line segment length we have to measure. How to measure the line segment length? So, already we discussed how to measure. So, in your textbook the same thing is given XY, AB and PQ. First in the textbook, so see in your textbook AB line, XY line segment, AB line segment and PQ line segment. So, take a ruler. So, this is your ruler. So, you keep a ruler on your book, and in your ruler 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 15 centimeters given here. How many centimeters? 15 centimeters given on your small ruler. So, this is a small ruler, on that 15 centimeters given. So, we have to keep this ruler on x in that way that our 0 of this ruler should coincide with x. This 0 should coincide with point x, and after that the remaining part you have to keep straight and see the next point y. So, where this second point coincide, here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and after that here 5. In between 4 and 5 the second point coincide. It means exactly in middle. So, middle of this 4 and 5, it means 4.5. So, at 4.5 the next point, that y point coincide, okay. The first point should coincide with x, in that way we have to keep. So, in the next point that is coincide with 4.5. So, we have to see where this first and last point, first and the second point. First point should keep at 0 and the second point we have to see where it coincide. It coincide with at 4.5. It means the length of xy line segment length is 4.5 centimeters. 4.5 centimeters. Next, another line segment is given. See in your textbook, in the same way we have to find the length of the line segment with the ruler again. So, we have to take the ruler. So, and here A and B points are there in your textbook. So, that first in the ruler 0 is there, 0 should coincide with A. So, keep 0 on A and the next point, see where the second point coincide. So, exactly on 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. At 3 the second point coincide at a point 3, means at 3 centimeters, means 0 to 3. The first point is at 0 and the second point coincide at 3. So, it means the AB line segment length is 3 centimeters. AB line segment length is 3 centimeters. Next, in C vertical line is given. So, we have to find vertical line segment length. How to find vertical line segment length? See here. So, this is a vertical line. So, again we have to take a ruler. So, the 0 should coincide with P and the next point we have to see where it coincide. So, it coincide at 1.6, 1.5 in between 1 and 2. So, it is at 1.6. So, 0 to 1, 1 to after that 6 lines, after that 6 lines means 1.6 centimeters. So, PQ line segment length is 1.6 centimeters, 1.6 centimeters. In this way we have to find the length of the line segment. First what we have to do? So, we have to keep 0 at first point and the next point where it coincide, that we have to check. So, the length of the line segment is the total 0 to where the second point coincide. So, that is the length of the line segment. In the same way the vertical line also, first P point is there, P point should coincide with 0 and the second point where it coincides, that number we have to check, and that is the length of the line segment. In that way we have to find the length of the line segments. Next, so this is how to measure. How to measure the given line segment length. Now, after that, in the second question, draw. Here we have to draw. We have to draw measurements given. So, AB line segment length is 4 centimeters. So, we have to draw AB line segment length 4 centimeters and GH line segment length 12 centimeters. Then how to draw? See here, AB 4.4 centimeters, not 4 point, AB. So, keep your scale on in horizontal. So, keep your ruler horizontally, and first you keep a point at 0, keep a point at 0, and after that keep a point at 4, 2 points. So, you have to keep 2 points, one at 0, other point at 4. So, now you join these 2 points from 0 to 4, 0 to 4. So, this is your line segment, 0 to 4, means AB is equal to 4 centimeters line segment. This is AB. Right here, first starting point is A, next point is B. AB is 4 centimeters, like this we have to represent. See here, how to represent? First, so we have to keep a ruler. So, this ruler, you have to keep a ruler on your book like this, and keep a ruler on your book. Then after that, so mark one point at 0. So, you have to mark a point at 0, another point at 4. So, here it looks very small on blackboard, means our board. So, because the length is 4 centimeters, then after keeping 2 points, so we have to join. We have to join these 2 points. This is point A and this is point B. Then AB is equal to 4 centimeters line segment. 4 centimeters line segment. In the same way, the next question, GH 12 centimeters. Then how to draw GH 4 centimeters? GH 4 centimeters, we have to draw GH 4 centimeters. Then how to draw? See here, again the same pattern. So, here GH 4 centimeter. Again we have to take a ruler and keep ruler on your textbook. Then after that, in that horizontal way we have to keep. Then after that we have to mark a point at 0, another point at 12 centimeters, here 12. 2 points we have to mark, one point at 0, another point at 12. Now you join these 2 points, these 2 points we have to join. So, these 2 points we have to join from here to here. One point is at G, another point is H. So, G is at 0, we have to mark, another H point we have to mark at 12 centimeters. Now, total GH length is 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters. In this way, we have to draw a line segment. Required means whatever is given, so that line segment we have to draw. First, we have to keep one point at G, that is at 0, and we have to mark another point at 12 centimeters, that is H. Now, after that, join GH. Join GH. Now, you will get GH is 12 centimeters length line segment, 12 centimeters line segment. In that way, you will get 12 centimeters line segment. So, this is the method. If line segment is given, then how to find line segment length. If measurement is given, then how to construct line segment. These two, so different types of questions. If he asks to construct, means to draw a line segment, given line segment means whatever the means length was given, so according to that we have to construct. How to construct? This is the method. If already line segment is given, then how to measure the length of a line segment, that two various questions were there. Then after that, here in third question, identify the parallel lines in this figure and write their names. Here parallel lines. So, what is meant by parallel lines? Parallel lines means the lines which do not intersect each. They are called parallel lines, means distance between the parallel lines same. So, if distance between any two lines same, then the lines are parallel, or otherwise if two lines do not intersect, that means the lines are parallel lines here. So, what are the parallel lines here? AB is one line and another line CD. These two lines are parallel lines. These two lines never intersect each other. AB and CD. AB and CD are lines are parallel. How to represent? AB is parallel to CD. This is parallel to symbol. This is parallel to symbol. Next, and AD is parallel to BC. The distance between these two lines is same. That is, AD is parallel to BC. AD and BC lines are parallel. Lines are, that means AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. AD and BC, these two are parallel. So, and these two are parallel. Parallel means the distance between the lines same, or the lines which do not intersect are parallel lines here. So, two parallel lines are there. Two pair of parallel lines were there. This and this are parallel. This and this are parallel. This means AB. AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, okay, students. Yes, now students, see here shapes. What are the shapes here? See, so 3-dimensional 3D shapes. 3D shapes. First one is sphere, the second one cylinder, the third one cuboid, the fourth one cube, the fifth one cone. So, sphere. For sphere, many examples are there. Globe is a sphere, and ball is a spherical in shape. So, ball. So, and whatever in round shape, so they are sphere. So, this ball, this is a sphere, this is a sphere, this is sphere. Okay. Now, after that, this is cylinder. So, what is a cylinder? This is cylinder. This is cylindrical in shape. This is cylindrical in shape. Okay. So, this is the cylinder. Next, after that, cuboid. This duster is a cuboid. So, this is cuboid in shape. This is cuboidal shape. Okay. This is cuboidal shape. Next, cube. This is in cubical shape. This is in cubical shape. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? So, cube is in rectangular shape and cuboidal in rectangular shape and cube in square shape. Cube is in square shape. In cube, all 6 faces are same, but in cuboid, so the faces are rectangular in shape. Okay. So, this is the difference between cuboid and cube. Okay. Next, after that, cone. This is cone. This is cone. Okay. This is cone. Now, after that, we are going to discuss one by one the properties of a cuboid and cube, cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay. All these properties we are going to discuss. All these properties we are going to discuss. See here, first cuboid. So, what are the properties of cuboid? What are the properties of cuboid? See here, it has 6 plane surfaces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. See here, so this is cuboid, this duster is cuboid in shape. So, here how many plane surfaces are there? 6 plane surfaces. See, 6 plane surfaces means this is first face, this is one, this plane surface. So, another this is 2. Okay. Then after that, this is third, 3, this is fourth, then after that this is fifth, then after that this is sixth. How many surfaces are there? Total 6 surfaces were there. How many? 6 plane surfaces. this is first and this is second, okay, and after that, so this is third and this back side fourth, and this is fifth, this back side is sixth. Total 6 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 surfaces, top and bottom, 5 and 6. Total 6 plane surfaces. And here 8 vertices. How 8 vertices? See here, this is one vertex, here this corner is one vertex, here 2, second vertex, here 3, third vertex, here 4, here after that 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4 this side and this side 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many vertices? 8 vertices. 6 plane surfaces and 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, how many edges? 12 edges. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many these corners we have to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Already it is over. Total how many edges? 12 edges. This length 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 over. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 edges. How many edges? 12 edges. So 6 plane surfaces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. How many edges? 12 edges. Then here, second, each face of a cuboid is rectangular in shape. All faces are rectangular. This face and the backside face, these two faces are rectangle in shape, and this is rectangle and this is also rectangle, backside face also rectangle, and this face is rectangle and this face is also rectangle. All faces are rectangular in shape. All faces, this face, this, all these 6 faces are rectangular in shape. The third one, the opposite faces of cuboid are identical. So, are identical. All are identical faces. How? Means how identical? Here, this face and this opposite means backside. These two are same, identical faces. They are same faces. This face and the backside face same. And if you see this side and it backside face identical, and this face and backside this face identical, means we have 3 identical faces, this and backside, and if we take this and this backside identical, and if we take like this, then this and this are identical. 3 pair of identical faces we have. All the faces are rectangular in shape, and we have identical opposite faces are identical. Opposite faces are identical means they are same. They are same. Okay. So, about this is a cuboid. In cuboid, total how many edges were there? 12 edges. And how many vertices? 6 vertices were there. How many vertices? 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there and 12 edges are there, and after that 6 plane surfaces. Plane surfaces, 6 plane surfaces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. 8 vertices about this. Then after that, and all are rectangular in face. All faces are rectangular and opposite faces are identical. Opposite faces are identical. This is about your cuboid. Now about cube. What about cube? Properties of cube. In cube also we have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 faces. In cube how many faces we have? Total 6 faces. 1 backside, 2 up, down, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means all 4 faces, surrounding 4 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, surrounding 4 faces, top and bottom 2 faces, 4 plus 2, 6 faces. Then vertices, 8 vertices, the same as usual in cuboid and in cube. Vertices and faces, edges, all these are same. 12 edges, once you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how many edges? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once you count with a pencil, so then you can know. So, total 12 edges and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 vertices and 12 edges and 6 faces you have. Then in cube all are in square shape, all are in square shape. This is square, they all are in square shape. But in cuboid, rectangular shape. And so opposite faces are identical. Here it is not like that. All faces are in square shape and all are equal. All are equal, identical. All faces, 6 faces are identical faces. The first face, second face, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Total 6 faces are identical faces. Okay. All 6 faces are identical faces, but in cuboid it is not like that. Opposite faces are identical. Okay. In cuboid all are in rectangular shape, but in cube all faces are in square shape. Okay. These are the properties of cube and cuboid. Okay. Okay, students. Yes, now students, next cylinder. So cylinder, properties of cylinder. So see here, this is cylinder. This is cylinder, cylindrical shape. See here, so properties of cylinder. A cylinder has two plane surfaces. This is one plane surface, this bottom is one plane surface, and in top also if surface is there, one more surface is there. One here and one here, two surfaces. One is at bottom and one is at top. Top and bottom, two surfaces were there for cylinder. How many surfaces? Two surfaces. One is at top, another one is at bottom. Okay. Then, so one curved surface, this is curved surface, this surrounding is a curved surface, and plane surfaces 1 and 2, top and bottom. These two are plane surfaces and this surrounding is a curved surface. It means one curved surface and two plane surfaces, Okay. Then after that, it has two edges in circular shape. So, two edges, this is one edge and top is another edge. Two edges, it has two edges. These edges are in circular shape. These edges are in circular shape. Then it has no vertex. So, this is curved shape, no? So, that is why it has no vertex. This cylinder has no vertex. And base and top, the base and the top, they have same size. Base, this base is in circular shape and top is also in circular shape. The size of base and top both are same. So, once again, so what is a cylinder? Cylinder has two plane surfaces, one is top, one is bottom and one is top. Two plane surfaces and one curved surface is there. And after that, this cylinder has no vertex, and so base and top have of the cylinder have same size. What? Base, this top, this base and this top, the both have same size. Okay. So, it has two edges. This cylinder has two edges. So, one is bottom and one is top. Okay. So, this is about cylinder. In a cylinder, how many plane surfaces are there? Two plane surfaces. And how many curved surfaces? One curved surface. And base and top. So, both are in circular shape. And this cylinder has no vertex. Okay. All these points you have to remember about this cylinder. Okay. Now, after that, sphere. Properties of sphere, not cone here. Properties of sphere. Sphere properties. Okay. Here, so this is a sphere. This is spherical in shape. So, this is called sphere. This ball is a sphere. So, then it has only one curved surface. How many curved surfaces there? Only one curved surface. So, this sphere has only one curved surface and it has no vertex and no edges. This sphere has no vertex and no edges, only it has only one curved surface, only one curved surface. Okay, this is about your sphere. Sphere, it has only one curved surface, it has no vertices, no edges. Okay. Now after that, cone. About cone, so this is cone, this is cone. So cone properties, so the base, cone base is a plane, it is a plane surface, base is plane surface, base is plane surface, and that too circular shape, that too circular shape. It has only one vertex here, so this is only one vertex, at top only one vertex is there. Okay. So in cone we have only one vertex and one base, means plane surface, and one curved surface. This surrounding is a curved surface, this surrounding is a curved surface. It has one curved surface, one plane surface, and one vertex, one vertex. It has one plane surface which is base of the cone, plane surface. It has one plane surface, that is base, and it has one curved surface, it has one curved surface, and it has one vertex. How many vertices? One vertex, it has one vertex, and edge. So it has circular edge where the curved surface meets the plane face. This plane face is there, no? So this is curved shape, this is curved shape, this is curved shape, one curved shape and one plane face. Okay, one plane surface and one curved surface and one vertex. Okay, this is about your cone, Okay students. Okay. Yes, now students, let us summarize what we learn. Here in cuboid, how many vertices were there? In cuboid, 8 vertices were there. And how many edges? 12 edges. And how many plane surfaces? 6 plane surfaces. 4 plane surfaces surrounding top and bottom, 4 plus 2, 6. And how many curved surfaces? 0. Cuboid means rectangular shaped, means either it is a chalk piece box or whatever it is. So if a box is in rectangular, then that is a cuboid, So cube, square shape box, Cube, the cube and cuboid both are same. Same, cube also 8 vertices and edges, 12 edges and 6 plane surfaces, and curved surfaces 0 curved surfaces. Now about cylinder. In cylinder we don't have vertices, 0 vertices. Then how many edges? 2 edges we have. And how many plane surfaces? 2 plane surfaces. Then how many curved surfaces? 1 curved surface. So edges means top and bottom. So 2 edges we have. Then how many plane surfaces? 2 plane surfaces. One is top, other one is bottom. So the 2 plane surfaces. And how many curved surfaces? The surrounding 2 planes, 1 curved surface. So in a cylinder, 1 curved surface area is there surrounding. Okay. Then after that, in sphere, no vertices, no edges, no plane surfaces, 1 curved surface, only 1 curved surface is there. In cone, so 1 vertex and how many edges? 1 edge, that is bottom, and plane surface, 1 plane surface, that is at bottom, and curved surface, 1 curved surface. So these points you have to remember. Okay students. Now here see, identify the shapes of the following objects. Shape of the following objects we have to identify and we have to say, so what is it? First one, chalk box. Chalk box, either it is in cube, either it is a cube or cuboid. So here I am writing here cuboid. So chalk box is in cuboid shape, it is in cuboid. Some chalk boxes are in cube shape, some chalk boxes are in cuboid. So cuboid in shape. So cube means all 6 faces are same, that is in square shape. Cuboid means rectangular shape. Identical faces means opposite faces are identical in shape, rectangular shape. Okay. Here cuboid, candle. So we know this. This is in cylindrical shape. Candle is cylindrical shape. It is a cylinder. Lunch box. Some lunch boxes are in cylindrical shape. Some lunch boxes are in cuboidal shape. So first you check what shape you have, means cylindrical shape or cuboid in shape or cube in shape, so that you check and write. Here I am writing here in cylindrical shape. Football. So this is clearly, it is a spherical in shape. Sphere. It is a sphere. Prism. It is a conical shape. Cone. Okay. Then after that, the second bit, the given I am a solid shape. What am I? So it is a solid shapes. So about 5 solid shapes we learn. So one is sphere, cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder. About these 5 shapes we learned. So here the first question, people put dots or numbers on me and then play Ludo with me. So what is that? That is nothing but dice. That is a dice. Dice is in cube shape. Your answer is cube. The second one, you cannot balance anything on me. So that is sphere. On sphere, so you cannot balance anything. So that is a sphere. Here the answer is it is sphere. Okay. Next, in the blanks. Third question, blanks. We have to fill. So in blanks, a cube has dash surfaces. Total how many plane surfaces? 6 plane surfaces. And how many edges? 12 edges. And how many vertices? 8 vertices. Then after that, a dash has no vertex and no edge. Sphere. A sphere has no vertex and no edge. Okay, students.